Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix if your Facebook is showing this site cannot be reached. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. First of all, if this issue occurs and you are using Facebook into your browsers, just simply try to clear the cache data of your browser. Then this problem might get solved. But if you are using the Facebook application and this problem occurs, you should try to reset or disable the DNS into your device. And you can also try the another DNS. And the other option here is to connect to a VPN. Just simply try to connect with a VPN into your device, and after connecting to a VPN, try to reach the site again. Then this problem might get fixed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.